Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Gloria divided her rectangular vegetable garden into 3 sections. The corn is a square with a side length of 8 meters. So I label my picture. This is for the corn. The corn sides are 8 meters. It's a square, so I know all 4 sides are the same because it says it's a square. The carrot section is a square with length of side of 3 meters. So each side of the carrots is 3 meters. What is the area of the square meters of Gloria's garden? Well, let's look at the corn first. Area equals length times width. Or side times side, since it's a square. So area equals 8 times 8. Area equals 64. So it's 64 square meters. 64 square meters. So if I put that in here for my corn, 64 square meters. The carrots, so for the carrots, my formula, area equals length times width, or since it's a square, side times side. So area equals 3 times 3. So area equals 9 square meters.
You have to do all this?
Yes. This is how you solve the problem. The work I'm showing is how you solve these problems. If you're willing to put in the work, your grade's going to be good. If you're not willing to put in the work, your grade's not going to be good. Now the potatoes. The potatoes, I've got to figure out the length of this side right here. Anybody have any ideas? Right here. 3. Because all of these sides are 8. Now I have to figure out the length of this side here. Anybody have an idea?
3.
Not 3.
4.
Okay. What is the length of this whole side going to add up to?
9.
8. Because this, all the way across, and it's a rectangle, so the opposite sides are going to be equal.
4.
So this is going to add up to 8. So this plus this has to add up to 8. So what is the width of the potatoes? 5. These opposite sides are equal. Because it's a rectangle, they said. This whole side has to have the same measurement as this whole side. Since I know this whole side's add up to 8, this whole side has to add up to 8. So now, for the potatoes, I need to put potato. I just abbreviated it POT, and that would be inappropriate for school, so I'm not going to leave it that. The potatoes, area equals length times width. Area equals 5 times 3. Area equals 15 square meters. Now to answer the question, to find the area in square meters of Gloria's garden, I would have to add these 3 together. 64, 9, and 15. And whatever I got, it would be that many square meters. Questions on this one? All it takes is time to get these problems right. The math is not difficult. I multiplied 8 times 8. I multiplied 5 times 3. And I multiplied 3 times 3. And then I added 64 plus 9, 9 plus 15. 64 plus 9 plus 15. None of that math is hard. All of you can do 8 times 8. All of you can do 5 times 3. All of you can do 3 times 3. All of you can add 64 plus 9 plus 15. all of you, if you want to get them correct, you'll show the work. If you don't care, you'll put an answer. Simple as that. And that's the way with pretty much all math. I'm just saying.